Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock, this is the channel for you, so make sure you subscribe and keep vibing with your girl. Now first of all, first and foremost, I'm just gonna say it, I'm in love with this wig. There, I said it, I'm in love with this wig. Now sit back and relax and let me tell you why. This is a 13x4 kinky curly lace frontal wig with a very breathable cap. As you can see, this human hair is so full, straight to the ends and bouncy. Now them knots needs to be bleached, so we're going to go ahead and bleach them. This is my second time using this bleach as opposed to the BW2 bleach, and I feel like this one is so much better. I found this on TikTok. Someone I was watching was using it, and I was like, let me give it a try, and I'm so glad I did. So I only needed 2 scoops and carefully scraping it through, you know, like butter, but not to, you know, not so hard that it's gonna seep through, you know. If you want a more detailed way of how I do it, let me know. If not, this is how I did it. And then like 20 minutes later, it was done. Because the knots were so small, it was done quicker than that. I probably could have taken it out in like 15 minutes. The knots were that small. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it with my ion shampoo and conditioner, and look at that. Okay, yeah. I wasn't trying to let that happen, but that happened. So yeah, I ran out of the first conditioner, so I went ahead and used my second conditioner. The shampoo and conditioner set is amazing. I use it on my natural hair, and I treat my natural hair as good as I treat my wigs, or vice versa. You know what I mean, girl. Now after adjusting the strap, that wig felt so snug and comfortable on my head. I love it. Now the ears part is the tricky part, but we're gonna walk through this. I'm gonna show you what I did, okay? I was so excited about this. Look at me, I couldn't contain myself. But before we do that, we're gonna slick back the hair and make sure we get the hair out of the way so we can spray this baby down. Now cutting carefully, outline where your ear starts and then cut. I mean, as you can see, just make sure you know that lace is laid comfortably around your ears and not on your ear. I hope that makes sense. So now I'm using my shears, my pinking shears, to cut the rest of the lace, and I'm using Kiss Lace Bond Spray to lay this baby down. At first I was gonna glue it down, but then I was like, nah, we're just gonna go glueless this time. But I'm thinking about wearing this wig again, girl. Yes, again. And I will show you if I do, when I do. Now we're going, let me stop yapping. Now dry it on cool air and comb out the hair. And I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with the hair. I wasn't sure how I was gonna style it, but my always go-to style is a side part. I'm gonna always do a side part. I am in love with a side part. Let's just put it that way. Okay, that's that. So after having so much fun with the hair, I decided on a side part. So it's not that much parting space going back, but it's just enough, honestly. Make sure you hide them tracks, girl. Make sure you hide them tracks. Then we're gonna hot comb some more. What I wish I didn't do, but since it's a curly hair, you want the root to give curl, so I should have used the back of the hot comb as opposed to combing it like that, but I'm gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Keep watching, girl. Use an unbrush, okay? Use it unbrush. My Haitian side just came out just now. That was my Haitian accent just came out of nowhere. But yes, use an unbrush. That is the safest way to comb out or brush out your wigs, okay? Now it already came with some nice layers, but I was being extra. I don't want to say I was scissor happy, but I added some more layers. I wanted to give more roundness and more oomph, so I was a little, just a teensy bit scissor happy. Okay, just a little bit. that's enough scissor-ness. We're gonna go ahead and add our mousse. Every single thing I use is gonna be in the link below in my description box. In my Amazon storefront, I went ahead and wiped off the bottle because I didn't need to see all that hair that was on there, you know. So I want to be presentable. But everything I use is going to be in the description box below, including this gorgeous wig. Did I mention I was in love with this wig? Don't judge me. I missed a spot. Okay, I missed a spot. And, you know, I missed a spot. That's all I'm gonna say. And apparently, I missed another spot. And now it is dance time. We're gonna dance it out because we're hyper. We're happy. Oh yeah. The curls are popping, girl. Do you see that? Do you see them curls? They're bouncy. They're popping. They're love them. They're juicy. Girl. Love it. Now this right here is how we fix that little hot comb mishap we had earlier. You know, this right here. Make that curly root curly. You know, not supposed to be straight and then boom, curl. No, we fixed that. Okay. Now the lace, beautiful. A little ashy, so we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that with a little bit of makeup. And I'm also gonna go in with my Sticky Little Secret melting spray. That's always going to give you that final mwah, okay, to your wig install. Always, every single time. I'ma say it. I swear by it. I love that melting spray. Now we're gonna tie it down at the tippity tip of the lace tightly, okay? Don't give yourself a headache now, but tight enough, you know? I decided to go in with a little bit of finger twirl. Is that what it's called? Finger twirling here and there, around there, everywhere, sort of. I'm not really used to doing it. I'm just going with the flow from what I see. I'm more of a visual learner, so whatever videos I've seen, I'm just gonna try to replicate. That's what I think I've seen them do. But I'm practicing, girl. I'm not a perfectionist. I don't claim to be. But I just do. I love hair. I do hair. That's all I do. This blow dryer is so sexy to me. It's in my TikTok shop. I'll have that linked below as well. I'm always so satisfied when I take off that wig band, other than the fact that it's tight. But we get to reveal the lace, you know. This is the final look. We're gonna sort of spread out the curls carefully because you don't want to frizz them out. You don't want to frizz them out. Shout out to you if you are still vibing with me, girl, and vibing with this hair. Look at this. This is beautiful, bouncy, flowy hair. Linked right below. Check it out. And if you found this helpful and you enjoyed vibing with me, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. I truly appreciate you for sticking around. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.